Hello, my name is Peter Johnson. In this session we're going to have a look at Workbooks Dynamic Linked Items, otherwise known as DLIs. Workbooks Dynamic Linked Items are a useful way of showing in a field a pick list option which pulls from another part of the system. The example I'm going to use is quite a common requirement where an organisation record clearly has multiple contacts associated with it, multiple people, and we want to select one of those to be the primary contact. So the user of the Workbooks CRM application can see, when looking at an organisation record, very quickly who is the primary contact. To do this, we're going to create a simple report within Workbooks to populate the pick list, so a list of people and the organisations they're associated with. We're going to add a new field to the organisation entity, and then I'm going to show you and test the functionality to make sure it's working correctly. So I'm already in Workbooks here, and if I show you very briefly an organisation record, so let's go and select this one here. So you can see here an organisation, blue circle, that has a couple of people associated with that organisation record. Obviously this could be many people within this organisation, and clearly if you open up the organisation record you don't actually see straight away who would be the primary contact. Of course you could list it in here with the relationship type, etc., but it would be nice to see it on the front screen. So I'm going to go away and do that first thing, which is to create the report. So I'm going to start reporting. I'm going to create a very simple list report. New report. I'm going to use the blank new report based on people. Here I have labeled the new report. I'm going to go to the details area and add a couple of columns. Person name I'm going to add, and I'm also going to add a person's employer. So that'll bring in the organisation name, and save and close. So refresh the preview, and you can see here the result of this particular report is just a list of people within your workbook system and also their employer name. Having created the report, I'm now going to create and generate a field that uses that report as its pick list. And I'm going to create this against the organisation. So in the normal Workbooks fashion, I'm going to go and create a new field within the organisation record. And it's going to be a new custom field. Okay, now on this custom field, I'm going to give the field a descriptive name. So I'm going to put primary contact. The data type in this example is going to be a DLI, a dynamic linked item. And then when you choose that type of field, you can choose which report you're going to use. Well, I'm going to use my people list. Yeah. And the column I'm going to use as the pick list is going to be the person's name. So if I left it like this, it would just show a list of all of the people within my Workbooks account. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a constraint. So I'm going to add a constraint which is, bearing in mind I'm in the organisation right now, I'm going to use the name field, which is the name of the organisation, and I'm going to restrict it so that it matches the employer field within the report. Update, save and close. Okay, I'm now going to place that field in the correct area within the form and show you it working. Okay, so you can see now that I've gone to my organization record, I've placed the new field on the screen here on the main tab underneath my account health field. And if we take another quick look at the people list against the blue circle record here, you can see there's Edward and Finley. And what I'd like to do as a user is flag which one of these is the primary contact. So from my pick list here, I'm going to make Edward the primary contact, save. And of course, what you can do from the front record, because this is linked to a person record, we can open that person record very quickly and easily from the same field. That concludes our session on creating dynamic linked items, DLIs. I hope you found that session useful. My name is Peter Johnson. I'm at Wizard Systems. You can contact us if you'd like some assistance with this. Remember, if you have admin credits, we can help you through and hold your hand through the process. Otherwise, the contact details are on this screen. Thank you very much for your time.